Hey, so if Google Keep keeps crashing, yeah, like it opens and closes immediately, freezes, or won't stay open, that can be really annoying. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, restart your phone or PC. This clears temporary glitches that often cause app crashes. Next, yeah, make sure your internet is stable. Google Keep needs a connection for syncing, and poor internet can trigger crashes. Now, force stop Google Keep and reopen it. This resets the app process completely. Yeah, corrupted cache is a major reason for crashes. Clearing cache often fixes the issue instantly. Now, an outdated version can cause instability. Make sure Google Keep is updated to the latest version. Yeah, low storage can make apps crash frequently. Free up some space on your device. Now, battery saver mode can restrict background processes and cause crashes. Turn it off temporarily. Yeah, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Google Keep. This removes corrupted app files completely. If it still crashes, the issue might be on Google's side. Server problems can affect the app too. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Keep crashing issues. Most of the time, it's cache, storage, or app bugs. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.